Hey guys, I just realized in my last video about my little Avis twins here, I did not show the keys. Anyway, that's the one. There's the other one. Nasty on that one, but I mean, they're cute little locks. Might be fun for lockers at work or something. I was going through my extra toolbox and came across this old pretty shiny brinks, but oh, no key. Oh, what to do? There is only a way. So anyway, we're sliding down. Someday I'll get a tripod. I won't tell you my secrets. No. My ugly feet hanging in their balance. I was one pin away from opening this one too. Kidding. Maybe 4 or 5, I don't know. This one has a tendency to be stubborn sometimes. Just gotta find the sweet spots. Feels like it has a spool. Probably about 2 or 3. There she goes. I'm pretty sure that was a spool there on pin 3. Not sure if this one... No, can't take that one apart. It's pretty much a solid stainless one. But the fun thing I noticed about this, I have a mess here. I have brass brinks and compare these keyways. They're like opposites. So I'm not sure, is there 2 different makers of brinks? Oops, darn it, do it again. Change things once or twice. Not 100% sure. Need a nicer shirt. Okay, I stick it in my shirt. But anyway, the keyways go opposite directions in these two. So we goes counterclockwise, and then this one goes clockwise, I guess, and this one goes counterclockwise for that bottom loop there. So I don't have a key for that one, but I do have one for this one. Oh, the puppies in the neighborhood are barking, and my dogs. I'll give it a shot and see if I can get this one with the dogs barking in my ear. Shush, 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 shush. The neighbors have 2 giant standard schnauzers, and they are loud and obnoxious dogs. Anything that breathes and moves nearby, they have to bark at. And of course, my 3 kids decide, oh, you guys want to chat. Oh, now we're gonna throw a fit. Oh, we're gonna howl at them. Pardon me. Shut up! Hush. Koa. Well, there goes this video to heck. Pardon me for cover the microphone for a second. Guys, shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Daddy's fine. The other dogs in the neighborhood don't need to be part of this. Koa, get back. This is gonna be like one of my shittiest videos ever. Oops, did I say shit? Yeah, this is a good way to get more subscribers on my channel. Woohoo! I gotta start picking this brinks again. Totally screws the concentration. So I have 3 dogs. Got surprise, surprise there now. There's a false set there. We can get past it. And, you know, Suki on Chris Capoon's just kind of sits there on the counter. I have dogs that like to scream and holler. Most of the time they're well behaved. There you go, the falls back. Hey, where are you? Might need a deeper hook here. Sometimes it's this first pin that wants to argue. Get a slight break out here. Maybe I can find it. I even forgot what I was talking about. These guys started perking so much. Switch picks here. Go with a deeper hook. There she goes. So that's what it was. I just had to get that top one a little deeper. Well, anyway. So, making up for not showing you the keys of those other ones. Like I said, the silver one I don't have the key for. This one's nice little brinks. Was it about a 1, 2, 3, 5 pin? Not a bad little lock. And this one, I'm pretty sure I probably have the key for it somewhere. Where? Got me. But it is now part of that pile. So, pardon all the dog barking and my lovely dirty jeans. Guys, have a great day and stay legal like everybody always says. Too bad I work on Thursdays, otherwise I'd go to a tool meeting. I found they actually have one in town. But gotta work those days, so won't be able to make it. But I still have all my people on YouTube I follow, so you guys have a good day.